Alright guys, I changed my app a lot. Um, I still kind of used the blue and the red and the green, but obviously I changed that. I changed the audio and just made it into buttons. So you can see here on the iPhone, if you click Let's Begin, it'll take you to the profile. And I changed the profile a lot as well. You see your name, age, BMI. Thought that would be relevant for a workout app. Your height and weight, and then since it is a calculator app, I thought it would be nice to track your record of how many calories you've lost. So you can see in the month of June, 2,000 calories, etc., etc. It's on the iPhone again. And then you click movement. Now here you get to choose your movement. I put comment right here that when you use these arrows, it increases or decreases the number of that exercise you do. So if you want to do 85 push-ups, then great, but if you just click the arrows, then it'll increase or decrease that number. By the way, if you go back to profile, you can go and continue, and it'll take you to the next screen. So this is workout overview of what you just chose. If you need to go back and change those numbers, then you can, but you can continue. It'll show you what you chose, how many calories you should lose, and then you just click. Oh, well, actually I added a comment here. When you use these arrows, it will give you options. One of those being to go back to your profile if you need to just move around the app freely. You can do that. So you just click I'm ready, and it'll take you to the workout. So here you're going to do 60 push-ups. It gives you an image of that. You can increase or decrease the volume. I didn't really put in the profile, but you can link your music. Maybe I should add the comment there about it. But you have your trainer giving you pointers. Again, you can use the 3 lines to go around the app. You can use the pause or play button. It's one of the comments I put in there. This is a pause and play button. With this, I just said when you click next movement, it should take you to what you chose. So either squats or lunges or something next. But when all of your exercises are done, the app will know, and it'll take you to the next screen, which is this. So it'll tell you you lost 150 calories. That'll go to that month's add-ups, and then it'll prompt you to do a cool down routine. So some stretches and whatnot. Again, you have the 3 lines, and those 3 lines can help you either go back to your profile, choose another movement if you're still wanting to work out, or obviously you can press the home button and it'll exit the app. So yeah, that's the app.